Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3a Lite, and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So all we have to do here is to open the settings, and here let's scroll up or down depending on where you are, and then tap on apps. Now let's tap on see all 74 apps, of course 74 only in my case, or maybe in yours. And here we've got the full list of apps which are currently installed on this device. And what I highly recommend to do here is to go through all of those apps, especially those which are using frequently, and remove cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app, but they are occupying the memory. That's why we want to remove them. So simply open the app, then go to storage and cache, and here we have no cache saved, so let me find the app with cache. Here, storage and cache, and as you can see, we've got the cache. And even though for specific apps this amount of data won't be that much, summing all of the apps will give a significant amount of memory, which we can obviously release. So simply tap on clear cache, your device will immediately remove it. You do not even have to confirm this step. Be aware, I do not recommend tapping on clear storage unless you wish to make the app completely brand new. So as I said, go through all of those apps and remove cache. And after that, I highly recommend also to soft reset your device. I mean, simply power it off and then power it on again in order to confirm all of the changes you've made. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.